As we all know that yoga is a powerful tool for our physical, mental and spiritual growth. Today I am going to show you some simple stretches for those who want to start their journey in the path of yoga. So let's get started. Sit on the mat with crossed legs. Place your palms on your knees. Make sure your spine is straight. Close your eyes. Bring your awareness to the mat. Find comfort on your back, your shoulders, your neck and all the joints. Focus at the tip of your nose and start observing your breath. Now slowly open your eyes and come to the tabletop position. Your wrist aligned with your shoulders and your knees right under your hips. Your spine is flat in tabletop. Now from here take your leg back in plank and exhale. Go to the downward facing dog. Your spine is straight. Don't hunch your back. Just keep your spine straight and maintain here for 10 to 20 seconds or 10 to 20 counts. You can breathe normally here. Now take your right leg forward between both the palms. Now bring both the hands at the center of your chest, Namaste, and twist your upper body towards the right side. Open up your chest, lift your chest up and look up. Hold, keep breathing. Maintain here with normal breath for 10 to 20 seconds. Exhale, bring both the palms down on the floor. Now while inhaling, raise both the hands over your head and straight. Look forward. Your spine straight. Stay there. Keep breathing and maintain. Now bring both the hands at the shoulder level in Warrior 2. Look at the right finger. Stay. Keep breathing. Take your left palm on the left thigh. Raise your right hand over your head and arch your back. Observe your breath. Feel the nice stretch on your waist, your hamstring. Inhale. Come back to the Warrior 2. Take your right hand on your right thigh and your left hand over your head. Maintain. Keep breathing. Hold with normal breath. Inhale. Come back to the Warrior 2. Bring your hands over your head and stay. Exhale. Bend forward. Try to place your forehead down on your knees and maintain for a few breaths. Now take your right leg back in plank and go to the downward facing dog. Take your left leg forward between both the palms. Both the hands at the center of your chest, Namaste, and twist your upper body towards the left side. Lift your chest up and maintain. Keep breathing. Hold. Bring your hands down on the mat. Raise both the hands over your head. Stay. Warrior 1. Maintain with normal breath. Now go to the Warrior 2. Both the hands at the shoulder level. Look over the left finger. Stay. Keep breathing. Now take your right palm on the right thigh and arch your back. Stay. Keep breathing. Hold there with normal breath. for 30 to 60 seconds. Inhale, come back to the warrior two. Now take it and raise your right hand over your head. Stay. Keep breathing. Inhale, come back to the warrior two. Both the hands over your head. Come back to the center, warrior one. And exhale, bend forward. Now take your left leg back in plank and go to the downward facing dog. Now bend both the knees, flat your foot and push your hip back and relax in child pose. Place your forehead down on the mat, relax your shoulder, your back, your spine. Now from here, take your hands on your back, interlock your fingers and try to stretch your hands up as much as you can. Perfect. Now inhale and slowly come up to the vertical position and release your hands. Now straighten your legs. Sit in Dandasana with feet together, your toes pointing towards you, spine straight, hands by the side of your buttock. Now inhale and raise your hands over your head, biceps closer to the ear, lengthen your spine and exhale, bend forward. Try to grab your big toes. If you're not reaching, you can use the strap and exhale, try to go further down. Stay. This is the wonderful posture to energize your whole body. Give flexibility to the spine. Stay with normal breath. You can hold here for 30 to 60 seconds. Now inhale, raise both the hands over your head, come back to the center and release your hands by the side. Now fold your legs in front of you. Take your right foot at the outer side of your left hip corner and the left foot at the right hip corner. Spine straight. Raise your left hand over your head. Take your hand back. Right hand goes down and try to interlock your fingers. Don't hunch your back here. Keep your spine straight. If you are not reaching to your hands, you can use the strap or the towel and maintain here. Stay with normal breath. Feel the nice stretch on your shoulders, your hamstrings. A very good posture to releasing all the stiffness from your shoulder blades. Stay there for a few more breaths. Now exhale and slowly release your posture and switch the side. Now your right leg up and the left leg down. Knees at the center. Take your right hand up over your head. Take it back and the left leg goes down. Try to interlock your fingers and look forward. You can hold your posture for 30 to 60 seconds with normal breath. And now slowly release your posture. Unfold your legs and come back to the original position. All this practice give you inner power and strength. So practice and stay healthy. Thank you so much. Namaste.